Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to share a post on LinkedIn. When sharing a post, you can control who sees it from the share box. Public posts can be shared on other sites as long as your public profile is also showing. If your profile isn't public, your post will only be visible to members who are signed in to LinkedIn. Important note, posts created on other LinkedIn sharing platforms that use the public setting, such as InShare, will continue to be visible only to those signed in to LinkedIn. For Android, to share a public post of LinkedIn, tap the More icon or the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Then, tap Share Via. Now, copy to clipboard from the option menu that slides up. And then, paste the URL to another site, such as Facebook or Twitter. But for me, I will go to Facebook. Tap the search box, and then paste the URL. And then search. Note, it isn't possible to change the visibility of posts shared before July 2017. Storyline and multi-photo posts aren't currently available to users who aren't signed in to LinkedIn. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.